Welcome to Big Rob's Racing. Welcome to Big Rob Racing. Today we are changing brake pads. We're doing a bit of track day preparation because I'm going to Kerbera on Tuesday. I think this video might come out Monday, so it'll be a day before. I'll show you what the old pads look like, where they were. They've been on about 11 months, but if you know what I'm like, I do track days and stuff like that, so I do send it. So yeah, let's crack on. Best thing we've bought. Spigot ring. Right, to start off with, you've got two bolts here, one there, 13mm. You're gonna get your ball grips. You can use a spanner, but I find that because it's not like a normal bolt, it's on the other side, it's a bit narrower, so normal spanners don't really fit on properly, so I just get some more grips. Bang that on. That did break off pretty easy because I've already cracked it off. It's just the purpose of the video. By doing your brake pads yourself, you'll save a lot of money in garage labour fees, because the garage might charge you an hour and a half for this. And if it's somewhere expensive that charges £70 odd an hour, like some garages, you'll be facing £100 just to have your pads changed. It's an easy enough job, and no mechanic can do it as long as you've got right tools. All you need is a socket set, jack, some stands, and a wind back toolkit. If you don't know what a wind back toolkit is, I'll show you in a minute. You can pick them up on eBay, Amazon, Eurocar parts, 30-40 quid. They're not expensive. It's a good thing to have as well. So we've got them off, and all we have to do is slide it off like that. Make sure you don't damage this brake hose. If you want, you can just rest the caliper on wishbone like that, and then to get your pads out, you just pull them towards you. That's it. So they're pads. There's a bit of meat left on them, but you can see they're breaking away slowly. There's a big crack in that bit there, so I'm surprised that hasn't come off yet. You can see cracks down there. It's where they get off. Look, that's crumbling away. So pretty much done. If you look at where the groove is, it's almost down to groove. So what I do with them is put them in box that your new ones have come in, and just save them, because what I'm doing is I'm putting new ones in for track. Say if I melt them or whatever on track, if I absolutely kill them, I've got some just to get me home, and then order some new ones. So these are new ones. Look at the size of them. I'll get other ones, put them next to each other. Look at the size difference of that. So you can tell I've been sending it. So get these on, pretty easy to put in. Put that in that groove there, and that one in there, and same up front. Job for any home mechanic, this, pretty easy as that. And that's that bit done. So this is your wind back toolkit. It comes in a box like this. So you get that, you slide it over handle onto there like that, and then depending on your piston size, you need to pick the right disc. So I've got this one, and then get your piston, your caliper, sorry. Oh, that works. Put that in there, and then you just turn that until it gets tight. Bring that down. And remember, when you're doing this, remember to take your brake fluid cap off, because you're trying to push liquid back through the pipe, and if there's air, there's obviously going to be air in top of the reservoir, so you'll be trying to compress air with this, so it makes it a lot easier by doing this. So then all you have to do is turn it until it winds all the way back in, until the rubber boot is in front of the piston. I think it's just, yeah, it's pushed some out. So, time to put caliper back on. Because we've put in new pads on, it will be a bit... No, that's just gone straight on. Another one we have to use a rubber mallet to whack it on. But it seems to have gone on straight away, this one. Right, because we've pushed the pistons back, the fluid has come up to the top, so we've got a turkey baster, and we just take out what we need to take out until it's to the right level. More oil than fucking Iraq. So that's them, the motor grips. Get the ratchet. You want to get them something like nice and tightish, and then if you want to go the extra mile, get this on a breaker bar. Get that on there and just nip them up. With a breaker bar you don't have to go mad, because it will cross-thread them if you do go too mad. So you just want to get them nice and tight enough that no vibrations or out can make them come loose. You don't want bolts coming loose on your brakes. That's the last thing you want. And that's that. That's brake pads done. It takes less than... It took us, Steve, 40 minutes to get all kit out, do them, jack it up, all that sort of stuff. So that's step one of track day preparation. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below to what you want to see next. Until next time.